social media has been telling on me. I try to keep low-key, and students are coming to tell me that they saw me on Instagram. And then today a teacher told me that she saw me on YouTube. I was like, oh, because the things that you watch is potentially the same things that I'm producing now. Life as a Jamaican teacher, she watched teacher stuff. YouTube, hey, my from man try me have to say keep it a secret, but eventually all the people are gonna know. By then, me go just resign. Me run away. We want the popularity, but we don't want the popularity, right? Don't it? I don't want nobody thinks me I'm this popular person, famous, whatever pick name I come already, but me say how much views and why you follow me because you're famous. We want to know say a famous person and follow me. Oh God. You see the value what them value though? They want to know a famous person and follow them on social media. They don't glad say a famous person a teach you. Anytime them get talking in the class, I say, remember I'm famous, so you need to behave yourself. Because it's a privilege to be teaching you. Social media is telling on me. What am I going to do with this level of popularity? How am I going to handle it? Oh my gosh. I can't. I don't want people to be asking me for my autograph. Oh, Jesus. Anyways, we'll figure it out as we go along.
Don't want me to shine on me, just in Jamaican. Hold on. Also, we have, I wanna make sure. You see those cars over there? They're not leaving. You understand? Somebody in here who can I talk about this? Somebody in here who can I talk about this? There is somebody in here looking at the car and don't know it's theirs. There's some.
Jays. We love Jamaica? Yes. When now? How much of December is it? And we are going to beach. I'd like to send Christmas greetings from Jamaica, to all the people in foreign, in America, in France, in London, in England, in Poland. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.